To study about respiration up to human respiratory system. Mechanisms of respiration vary in different groups of animals depending mainly on their habitats and levels of organization. Animals have evolved different organs for the uptake of oxygen from the surrounding medium and elimination of the carbon dioxide produced. Terrestrial animals can breathe oxygen present in the atmosphere. However, aquatic organisms need to use the oxygen dissolved in water. The amount of oxygen dissolved in water is fairly low compared to the amount present in the atmospheric air. Hence, the rate of respiration in aquatic organisms is much faster when compared to the terrestrial ones. Fishes take in water through their mouths and force it past their gills, where the dissolved oxygen is taken up by the blood. This is called branchial respiration. Terrestrial animals absorb the oxygen present in the atmospheric air by different types of respiratory organs. For example, human beings exhibit pulmonary respiration with lungs as the organs for respiration. The respiratory organs have a structure that increases the surface area that is in contact with the oxygen-rich atmospheric air. The respiratory surface is very fine and delicate to facilitate the exchange of gases across it. The respiratory surface is placed within the body for protection. As a result, passages are present to carry air to it. In addition, there is a mechanism for moving the air in and out of this area where the oxygen is absorbed. The human respiratory system. The human respiratory system consists of the following components: the external nostrils, nasal chambers, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and alveolar ducts and alveoli. The respiratory tract or passage is the part of the respiratory system that transports air to the alveoli. The air passing through the nostrils is filtered by the fine hair lining them. The respiratory passage is also lined with mucus that helps in this process. The larynx is supported by 9 cartilages. The trachea and bronchi are supported by rings of cartilages to prevent the respiratory passages from collapsing. A pair of vocal cords is present in the larynx, also called voice box. Sound is produced through the stretching and vibration of the vocal cords. The lungs are the respiratory organs. They are located in the thoracic cavity, which is anatomically an airtight chamber. The lungs are covered by a double-layered membrane called as the pleura. The alveolus is the structural and functional unit of the lung and the basic unit of gaseous exchange. Approximately 300 million alveoli are present in both the lungs, with a total surface area of 80 square meters. The wall of the alveolus is surrounded by a dense network of blood capillaries, which facilitates the exchange of gases between the alveolar air and blood.